Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One major concern when getting your car fixed? Lack of warranty on repairs. You want assurance your repair will last. And at Arts, we back our work with a solid warranty for your peace of mind. Let me tell you about Greg, a local contractor who came to us last month. His 2016 Jeep Cherokee had a damaged front bumper from a parking lot scrape. Greg was hesitant after a shop's repair elsewhere failed without a warranty to cover it. We explained our repair process and our warranty coverage. Our team restored his Cherokee to perfection, and Greg said, "Art's warranty gave me confidence. The repair is flawless." Here's our commitment. We use top quality materials and expert techniques, and we stand behind every repair with a warranty. From minor dents to major collision work, our Pomona shop ensures your repair is built to last. If anything goes wrong, we've got you covered. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we give you repairs you can trust, backed by a warranty. Worried about repairs without guarantees? Stop by or call for a free estimate today. Ready for repairs with a warranty you can trust? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodｙandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, warranted quality.